Hi everyone, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. In today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay Uptown Arts Residence na ready for occupancy, located in 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio, Taguig City. And that's one of the best thing in Uptown Arts Residence, which is the location. Your walking distance to Uptown Mall and Mitsukoshi Mall, Landers, and to your daily needs, which is very ideal if you're aiming for a personal home. On investment perspective, the location is very promising because you're also walking distance from the project of the century, which is the Metro Manila Subway. In fact, the subway station is inside the MegaWorld's township and just few blocks away. Now let's talk about the building. It has a very luxurious design, as you can see in the lobby pa lang. Very prime din because you only have 12 units per floor, so your family can really enjoy the privacy. Maganda din yung mga amenities, merong outdoor, fitness area, indoor gym, lap pool, kiddie pool, and many more. So now, ganito yung itsura ng studio unit na 41.5 square meter. Tara, pasok kayo. So this is your entrance, and ang maganda, naka-digital lock set na siya. So pwede mo siyang ma-access gamit ang keycard, fingerprint, or yung code. Kaya super safe talaga. And then upon your entrance, on your left side, this is your kitchen. So furnished na siya, and you have a granite countertop. So kasama na rin tong burner cooktop, and then range hood by Goren Hay. And then ang maganda yung mga overhead cabinets niya. So maganda yung finishing, and then mga drawers sa baba. Yeah, soft close na din siya. So you have faucet and sink included, and this is by Frank, and retractable din siya. And then kasama na rin yung refrigerator by Goren Hay. So sobrang ganda talaga ng kitchen. And then on this side naman yung toilet and bathroom, furnished na din siya. Tingnan nyo. So, ang ganda ng bathroom. Ganito na rin yung tiles. And you have faucet and sink included, and the mirror. And then you have partial na shower glass. And then mga shower heads. So, kasama na siya. Okay, so on this side, this is your common area. And pwede nyo ilagay dito yung living and then dining table nyo. And then on this side, pwede na lang kayo maglagay ng partition and then a bed para magmukhang one bedroom. So yung mga kasama dito is one split type aircon and then modular cabinet. Kasama na rin siya. Ayan siya. So spacious na siya for a studio. Plus meron din tayong floor to ceiling glass kaya sobrang ganda. Maganda yung pasok ng liwanag. And then meron ka ding balcony. Ganito yung itsura ng balcony. So, for the payment terms, the total contract price is... So, this is rent-to-own terms. And ang maganda, we have a no down payment option. And if you want to move in early, we only required 10% down payment. So, we have available units from studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom unit. If you're interested, you can contact me to my social media. And feel free to pause the video and screenshot this QR code. There's also my WhatsApp and Viber. And that's it for this video. Kung nagustuhan nyo, hit like and subscribe. And if you have questions and suggestions, just comment down below. Again, this is Simon, your property specialist from MegaWorld. And see you on the next one.